Hey, what's happening, everybody? So where in the world is auto brightness on your iPhone 15 Pro running iOS 17.2.1? Let's come over here. Now, I thought it was in display, but it's not in display. Where you have to go is you have to come over here to accessibility and then slide down here to display and text. Come all the way down and you'll find auto brightness right there. You click that on and you're good to go, right? But I know some of you might be asking right now, and I'm definitely wondering, why was it not left in display and brightness? You come over here to display and brightness, the only thing automatic is your dark mode and your light mode. So I scrolled all the way down and I looked. And the reason I'm making this video is the other day I'm on Twitter and I was talking about auto brightness on the iPhone 15 Pro, and somebody came and told me that the iPhone 15 Pro or iOS 17.2.1, they don't have auto brightness. We were just discussing settings in general on iPhones. And when I went and looked, I was like, holy cow. So I'm over here in the display settings and I'm looking and I'm like, oh my God, they're right. And I was wrong. But upon further investigation, what I did is I went over here and searched and I typed in auto and auto brightness popped up. And then I was like, oh, okay. So yes. So it does have it. So once again, if you guys are ever looking for a setting in your iPhone and you cannot find it in all of this, because people always say iPhones are like easy. They're not. They have tons of settings as well. But if you're ever having like an issue like this, you just come over here in your search bar, tap search, and tap whatever it is that you are looking for. And if it's there, and more than likely it is, because iPhones have a ton of settings and features and accessibility and all that other stuff, it will auto-populate in that search bar right there. All right, everybody, thank you for watching this. Subscribe, like, share, do all that good stuff, and I will catch all you good people later. Take care.